Hey, what is up, YouTube? Today what I'm going to be showing you is how to make this little beautiful peacock right here. Without further ado, let's get into it. You want to start by folding your dollar in half. Whatever side you choose to be the front is your choice. I like the dark green side to be my face of whatever I'm making most of the time. I'm gonna give that good crease right there. Now you want to do 2 airplane folds on one of the ends of the dollar. Now if you fold this airplane fold right where it meets the line that's creasing instead of on it, your points will be a lot better, which wind up in the end to be the beak. So sometimes it takes a little practice to make them meet right, but for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna kind of go through this a little fast so I don't take up too much of your time. And that's a good enough beak for me anyway. Now we're gonna do the airplane fold again. Coming to that center fold. Now take this in here and fold it up to here. Like so. Now you want to give her a flip over. And what we're going to do is we're going to start making the feathers. I like mine's about 1/8 of an inch wide. It's really an eyeball thingy here. I like mine to be 1/8 of an inch wide. Like so. Crease it all the way down to the end. And we're going to do this back and forth, guys, all the way till you get to the end. And of course, I'm gonna do a couple of more, but then you know I'm gonna make that camera magic happen. Just a little bit more to go, just to show you that I am still with you, and I am actually making this at this very moment. Okay, only excuse me, only a few more folds to go, so I will bring y'all back in here. And just remember to crease each one of these folds all the way down and give that tail feather some real nice detail. All right, now once you're at this point, what we're going to do is fold this point into the center of this fold here. And if you can't really find the center, what you can do is go ahead and fold it to there, then just give it a little pinch right there and give you an idea where that center is. All right, like that there. And then what you want to do is fold it over and take this top of the head part back to this top of the feather, like so. Give that a crease. Now what we're going to do is make sure everything is all nice and creased up. My beak came undone a little bit when I made that fold, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and now fold her in half like this, or he. Like that. Now, kind of pull your feather out a little bit, like this here. Kind of feather them out, open them up like that. Now, and still not sitting right? So now what you want to do is hold this right here closed and pull out just a little bit like so. And you know, you just play with it until you get them feathers the way you like. And folks, there you have your little beautiful peacock. And there she go. I'm sorry, there he go. The males have the beautiful tail. And sitting all pretty like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends. Peace out.